Nissan. Japanese automaker Nissan was established in the year 1933 with headquarters located in Yokohama, Japan. They entered India very recently in the year 2005 and it operates across 160 nations worldwide with 10,380 employees. Nissan sells its vehicle under three brand names: Nissan, Datsun and Infiniti. Nissan is the leading Japanese brand in China, Russia and Mexico. Ford. Ford Motor Company main headquarters in America. It was founded by Henry Ford on June 16, 1903. The company sells automobile and commercial vehicles under the Ford brand. Ford has had manufacturing operations worldwide, including in the United States, Canada, Mexico, China, India, United Kingdom, Germany, Turkey, Brazil, Argentina, Australia and South Africa. Very popular brand Ford car. Tesla. Tesla Motor Car Company, American-based company. It was founded in July 2003 by engineer Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning as Tesla Motors. After 11 years in the market, Tesla ranked as the world's best-selling plug-in and battery electrical passenger car manufacturer in 2019. July 1, 2020, Tesla reached a market capitalization of $206 billion. Fiat. Fiat Automobiles is an Italian-American multinational corporation and is the world's 8th largest automaker. It is one of the leading car brands in the designing, engineering, manufacture and selling of vehicles and related parts and service, components and production system. It operates in 14 countries and sells in approximately 150 nations globally. Popular. GM Car. General Motors Company founded by William C. Durant on September 16, 1908. This car company main headquarters in America. The company is the largest American automobile manufacturer and one of the world's largest. As of 2019, General Motors is ranked 13 on the Fortune 500 ranking of the largest United States corporation to total revenue. Honda. Honda Motor Company founded by Hamamatsu in September 24, 1948. Honda main headquarters in Tokyo, Japan. Honda has been the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer since 1959, reaching a production of 400 million people by the end of 2019. Honda was the first Japanese automobile manufacturer to dedicated luxury brand. Daimler. Daimler is one of the largest producers of premium luxury cars. Daimler history started way back in 1886. Daimler Motor Company was an independent British motor vehicle manufacturer founded by H.J. Lawson. It is headquartered at Germany. Today has production unit in about 20 nations and sells worldwide with more than 8,500 sales center across the global. When you hear Daimler, the 18th ranker company in the world. BMW, world largest manufacturer of premium vehicle, is a Germany-based company founded in the year 1916 with its headquarters currently located at Germany. It is one of the biggest car company in the world. Today, the company has 31 production units across 14 countries and sell in more than 140 with the workforce of 1,24,729 people globally. Volkswagen's Volkswagen's European largest automaker is located with its headquarters at Germany, founded in the year 1937. It entered Indian market in the year 2001 with the launch of Skoda, and today Volkswagen operates under 8 different brands across the world. These include Audi, Bentley, Porsche, Lamborghini, Skoda, Volkswagen and Bugatti in passenger car segment, and the Bugatti brand costliest bike under motorcycle segment. In all, it comprises 12 different brands across the three segments and operates in 31 nations worldwide and sells in more than 153 nations. Volkswagen has become the world's second largest automaker. Toyota. Toyota Company founded in 1937. Toyota Motor Corporation is located with its headquarters in Tokyo, Japan. Toyota entered Indian market through a joint venture with Kirloskar Group as Toyota Kirloskar Motor in the year 1997. Today, Toyota Motor Corporation operates with 5 different brands across the world, which includes Toyota brand, Lexus, Dodge, Ranger and Hino, selling across more than 170 countries with its 53 plants located across 28 nations worldwide.